Hi guys, Nikia Lindsay here, back with another video, and today I am bringing you this fall inspired makeup tutorial. Fall is literally right around the corner. Fall time, I got my little sweater on. This is a crop sweater, but it don't matter. It is so chilly outside. But yeah, just decided to bring you guys my first fall tutorial. It kind of matches my hair, which really wasn't the plan. It all says. Subscribe to my channel if you are not already subscribed. I will definitely appreciate it, and hit the bell button so you'll be notified on when your girl here posts a new video. So no long intro. It's 7:53 and I gotta go cook dinner because your girl is hungry. So keep watching, guys. So I'm gonna start out with my eyebrows. I'm gonna take this Kat Von D Super Brow Pomade in the shade Walnut, and I'm going to do my brows. And after I use the pomade to outline my brow shape, I go in and fill it in with a Sephora brow pencil in the color chocolate brown. This brow pencil runs for about $12 to $14. I'm going in with the Warrior palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm taking this deep, rich, dark black brown color, and I'm packing that onto the outer V of my eye. Next, I'm going in with this Morphe 3502 palette, and I'm taking this brown shade. It's like a reddish brown color actually, and I'm gonna go ahead and blend out that black color and also blend this color into my crease area. Yeah, my brows were so harsh today. I don't know what was going on, but don't mind them. Don't mind them. Next, I'm taking the Jackie Aina palette, and I'm going to go in with the color Edges, and I'm just going to put edges on the inner crease area and blend it also into my full crease. I'm basically taking edges, y'all, and I'm just blending it into my crease over that previous color that I did, and also putting it as a transitional color. Just taking this Morphe dense brush. I'm going on with that Morphe palette. I'm taking this rich black eyeshadow, and I'm going to focus this on my outer V to deepen up that outer V and put it in my crease as well, because I really want to smoke this look out a little bit. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease. To cut my crease today, I used the Jackie Aina, I used the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Toffee. I'm doing a half a cut crease, not a full eye cut crease. When I cut my crease, I literally have to concentrate. It takes me so long, and one of my eyes are bigger than the other one, so one always comes out higher. I have to finesse it, but I'm cutting my crease. Now I'm going to go back in with that color from the Juvia's Place palette, and I'm packing it onto my outer, and then I'm going to take that black and blend it right next to the dark black brown color. And I'm blending all of this into the concealer. Going in with the Jackie palette, I'm taking the color Soleil, and I'm going to be placing this on my inner corner eye, and then I'm going to take the color Zam and place it on the rest of my eye. Also, to blend the Zam color into that black and that deep brown color, I'm taking the brown that I put into my crease earlier and blending that right next to Zam. And I also take credit from the Jackie palette and place it on top of the color, all so everything can blend. Taking the Dior foundation primer. This is the Face and Body Primer, and this is the Tarte Found Sealer foundation. I don't really know how I feel about this foundation. Actually, it's a little bit thick. This was the first time I actually used this foundation, and it was okay. The color wasn't really working for me. It was a little bit too thick for me to spread out. Didn't really sit on my face well. Maybe it was because of the primer that I used with it, but I did use the Dior Face and Body Primer, and this actually been one of my favorite primers. I'm gonna go ahead and highlight. I'm using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Amande, and I'm going in with the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Concealer in the shade number 50, and I'm going to place that underneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, chin, my forehead, you know, the usuals. I be trying not to highlight this forehead, girl, but you know. Boom, blended. I'm taking the Urban Decay Perversion eyeliner. I'm just going to go ahead and line my waterline with this. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio in the shade Berry Adore. I'm literally going to take all three of the colors and just apply it as a blush. And I like to take my blush all the way up to my temple area. That's just my thing. I'm going to go in with my lips. I will list all the names of the lip products that I use, but this is a Stila liquid lip. It's like a plummy color. I'm going to go ahead and line my lips with this, fill it in a little bit. And then the lipstick that I use in the center is kind of like a mauve tone. It's by Bare Minerals. And I also placed NYX Sandstorm in the center as well. All my lip products, though, I will definitely put in the description box. So this is the final look. I went ahead and popped my wig on. If you have not already, go check out my wig haul review video. I will link it in the cards up above. But yeah, this is the finished fall inspired look approaching. So if you like this look, let me know down below. Leave me a comment and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. You might as well, because you already watched the whole video. So thank you for watching this video. Follow me on all my social media sites. They will be listed down below. Next video.